Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to screen record with audio on Mac. So the first step is to simply go and open the Launchpad, and then you're gonna have to search for this app which is called Screenshot. Now don't worry, you're gonna be able to record your screen with it, so you can basically take screenshots and record your screen. So simply open it, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply select here if you want to capture a selected window or the entire screen. And here it says options, you're gonna have the option to select the audio. Now I'm using this app to record right now, so I can't really show you all the options, but trust me, you can do that. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.